the beautiful girl that I met made in Japan. The beauty of her face was beyond my wildest dreams.
Good morning everyone, my name is Lula Wahyu Arista and today I would like to present my ICT in ELT lesson plan. The title of my lesson is Learning Animals Name in English. So guys, in this presentation, I will explain how I integrate 3 digital applications. First, YouTube, Duolingo, and Google Classroom, to make English vocabulary learning more interactive and enjoyable for grade 1 and grade 2 students. Before starting the lesson, we need to know the learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, students are expected to identify at least 15 animals' names in English, pronounce them correctly, make picture with correct vocabulary, and use simple sentence to describe animals. They will also complete vocabulary activities using digital learning platforms. These objectives help students improve not only their vocabulary but also their listening, reading, and writing skills. Okay, the next, why use technology? Nowadays, technology has become an important part of education. Using technology makes learning more interesting, interactive, and enjoyable, especially for young learners. Instead of only from textbooks, students can watch videos, play education games, and complete online activities. The first technology is YouTube. The first application is YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform that provides many educational videos. In this lesson, YouTube is used to introduce animal vocabulary. Students watch videos showing different animals, listening to the correct pronunciation, and this helps students improve their listening and pronunciation skills. And then, for example, when students watch a video about animals, they can see the picture of a lion while hearing the word lion. This makes vocabulary easier to remember because students learn through both visual and audio materials. Second application is Duolingo. Duolingo is a language learning application that uses games and interactive exercises. After students watch the YouTube video, they practice the vocabulary using Duolingo. They complete activities such as matching pictures, choosing the correct answer, listening to words, and repeating the pronunciation. One advantage of Duolingo is that students receive instant feedback, so they know immediately whether their answers are correct. And this makes learning more fun and motivates to continue practicing. And the third application is Google Classroom. Now, Google Classroom is a learning management system, or LMS. It helps teachers organize the learning process before the lesson. The teacher uploads the learning objectives and video links. During the lesson, students can access learning materials. After the lesson, students submit their assignment through Google Classroom, and the teacher provides feedback and grades. This makes classroom management easier and more organized. And integration of the 3 applications. The 3 applications work together during the lesson. First, students watch a YouTube video to learn new vocabulary. The second, they practice the vocabulary using Duolingo through interactive exercise. Finally, they submit their assignment in Google Classroom, where the teacher can assess their learning. This learning quiz supports students from the introduction of new vocabulary to practice and assessment. Okay, the next is benefits for students. There are many benefits of using their application. Students become more interested in learning English because the activities are interactive. They improve their vocabulary, pronunciation, and listening skills. they also become more confident because they can practice independently. In addition, students can access the learning materials anytime and anywhere, making learning more flexible. Okay, advantage and challenge. Although technology has many advantages, there are also some challenge. The advantage include interactive learning, is easy access to learning material, and increased student motivation. And however, technology also requires a stable internet connection and digital devices. Some students may also have different level of digital literacy. Okay, in conclusion, integrating YouTube, Duolingo, and Google Classroom creates a more engaging and effective English learning environment. YouTube helps students learn through video and pronunciation. Duolingo provides interactive vocabulary practice, and Google Classroom helps teachers organize material assignment and assessment. Together, this application improves students' vocabulary, motivation, and participation in learning English. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation has provided a clear understanding of how ICT can support English language teaching. See you guys.
This dream